The best part about this kind of setup we are trying to do here is we can achieve this look without having to install a single app on our Mac. That's right, this look right here, which means no background processes, no bloatware, no BS. First, the directory where everything is. That's right, I got the icons from Apple Design. I'm sure you guys know him. And these are the icons we are going to use to give our MacBook the Pokemon look, as well as the wallpaper of choice that I kind of like. For this particular test, either this or this. Let's try this out. Set desktop picture. Alright, that's step 1. Now, step 2 is quite simple. Come to each folder and hit Command I. And then let's start with the best looking icon, the Pikachu icon. Drag and drop. That's it for the first one. Exit. Second, Command I. Drag and drop. X that as well. Third, Command I. Let's drag this and drop. Fourth, Command I. Drag and drop. Drag and drop. Alright, so what's my password? So be it. So it's quite simple, and now you have the Pokemon looking icons 1, 2, 3, 4, as well as the wallpaper. Every single thing here is going to be linked to the description of this video, so you have everything at your disposal, even if you have more than 5 icons. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Although these two look alike, so let's just say 7. Alright, that's all. Thanks for watching. Quite simple. I'll see you guys around in the next video.